Bright light is about to come on. Step on clutch. Engage the first gear to lift the clutch reversely. Light film starts smoothly. Step on clutch. Second gear floor oil accelerator pedal clutch. Enter the third gear accelerator. Stand up and step on the clutch. Near the fourth gear, the low plate oil accelerates to step on the clutch to enter the fifth gear. Maintain the speed to collect oil. Zebra crossing ahead with brake to observe safety. Pass hold speed is about to pass a road without traffic lights. The main force is braking. Observe in advance that there are vehicle handrails in front of the road. Pay attention to slow down and avoid. Remember to accelerate and don't move. Don't beat about the bush. Cause unnecessary trouble to yourself and the vehicles behind you. The intersection ahead is about to turn left. Early lane change. Current vehicle speed is too fast. Apply the brake to decelerate and apply the clutch. Common channel. Halai River near the third gear. Irrelevant appearance. Step on the clutch and continue to play. Continue takeoff. Class is over.